Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Marks. All right, we got gorgeous pine trees. Got a wood stork by himself. Oh, look, he's yawning. Isn't that amazing? Oh my God, they're so beautiful. When you see them in flight, it'll blow your mind. Okay, so listen to this. Pink feet. What's interesting is, look right here, what you and I would think is the knee, it's actually their ankle. And believe it or not, a wood stork, instead of, let's see, okay, like if you and I were to kneel on the ground, or the bottom half of our legs is going behind us, but the wood stork actually does the opposite. Now remember, it is their ankle, not their knee. Their bottom half of their leg goes forward. Isn't that crazy? Okay, now I'm trying to, just know that it's freezing out. I really could use another set of gloves. That's probably a little blue heron in transition. Little blue herons are, they are born white, and then it takes a year to achieve the color of the parents. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so there's an example of a little blue heron adult. And again, this is going to be tough to hold the camera. We got a bunch of white ibis together. So it's the white ibis. They have a pinkish reddish bill. It's more red in the summertime during breeding season. And then look at all the youngsters, the brown ones. So they are very dark brown when they're born. And then they get a little bit lighter. Look at the parents. Those are little blue herons. Okay, so the brown birds are white ibis juveniles. Probably first year is what I'm thinking. Isn't this interesting? And then this is a pond right by Lawton Stables. I'm just going to show you one more set of birds. I got to call it quits. I'm freezing. I started filming at 1 o'clock today. It's already after 5. I was at Pink Mountain for 2.5 hours. Great egrets, snowy egrets, white ibis. Okay, see the white ibis there has the reddish beak. Really pretty. And then, I can't believe, oh, there's an Anhinga that's asleep right now. That's a female. It's got brown from the neck up. And so the birds are coming in to roost for the night. And they do nest here. And I know everybody's tired of my excuse. They're like, oh, when are your 8,000 videos coming out? Well, look at this. I'm starting the Bluebird project in 2 weeks. I'll stretch it. I'll wait till 3. Oh my gosh. And life is so busy. Not kidding. But isn't this amazing? So I love trees. It's just really dynamic to see these live oaks. And I'll tell you what, when I got out of the car, I really heard a chirping that sounded like a painted bunting. Now this would not be the time to be here, but every once in a while you get a bird that will stay year round. Oh, look at the birds. When they fly in, they have to kind of vie for position here. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? There's a snowy egret. They've got the yellow feet. Aren't they gorgeous? All right, guys. The Bird Nerd coming at you. Have a great night.